How to add a catalog in WhatsApp Business. Hello everyone, I'm Sophia from Create Login and Delete. Today in this video, I'll show you guys how to add a catalog in your WhatsApp Business. A catalog in WhatsApp Business is a collection of products or services that you can share with your customers. It's a great way to make it easy for customers to browse your offerings and find what they're looking for. So go ahead and open your WhatsApp Business. You can come to this page by clicking on the tool button at the bottom. Once you are here, tap on the catalog option. Here you should have all your products. If you don't have a catalog yet, tap Add New Item. Enter a product or service name along with any optional details like description, price link, and item code. Let me add some camera images. Once you have done that, go back and then click on Save. Now your catalog will be visible to your customers. After it is reviewed by WhatsApp, they can view it by opening your chat and tapping the catalog button. That's it. I hope this video helped you learn how to add a catalog in WhatsApp Business. Please like, share and subscribe. See you guys in my next video.